Breaking news, Bitcoin has just touched this green line right here for the first time since October 2025 when Bitcoin was at $116,000. Is this a huge clue that things are turning around? Is this a huge clue that a bull market, a surprise bull market, could come out of nowhere and pump prices? Or is this a bad sign? Is this a really deadly sign that we've done before that could spell disaster is about to happen? In today's video, we're going to break down the facts. We're going to dig into the charts, and you are going to leave with more knowledge and be ready for this huge move that is about to happen. Let's get into it. Brand new email list video this week. Don't miss out. Everyone has been asking and wants to know when bottom plus mega crash update plus death cross update. Major announcement. I just dropped an exclusive bonus video to everyone on the email list. Go check your emails right now. Not on the email list, you do not want to miss this update. Immediately unlock this bonus video right now for free at CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Again, CryptoCrewUniversity.com. I'll see you in the bonus video. So here we are, Bitcoin US dollar index, and today we're on the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, we have two moving averages on our chart. One in green, that is the 21 MA, and in yellow, that is the 50 MA. And now that we're on the weekly chart, this is the 21 week and this is the 50 week, and we are looking more closely at the cross of said moving averages and what happens after, and specifically a move into this moving average of 21 week. We haven't touched the 21 week moving average since October 2025 when we were at $116,000 Bitcoin. This is a huge clue. This is a huge sign. We want to dig into how big of a sign. We want to dig into how big of a clue. We want to dig into what could this mean for the crypto space and your altcoin portfolio. So in order to do that properly, we need to dig into the facts. When we zoom out, you're going to see something very apparent come into fruition. We have had three other crosses in history of these moving averages at a very particular time in the market cycle trend. Take a look. You can see, and I want you to take a mental screenshot. We had this cross back in January 19th, 2026, this 21 week crossed the 50 week. When you look back, we had one in 2022. It happened right here. When you look back before then, we had one in 2019. It happened right here. And the first one we're going to study is 2015, which happened right here. Now, what you're going to notice is that all four of these examples happened at a very specific time in the market cycle. Let's study, let's investigate, and once we understand when this cross happened, we're going to understand what happened after, specifically with this green line, and we're going to start to make sense of this move that Bitcoin just did. Is this a huge sign that things are about to pump, or is this a huge sign that things are about to crash? Let's look closer. So when you look closer, we're going to start our journey back in 2015. Now, we're going to look first at this cross. We're going to have it make sense with the four crosses that we've had in totality for Bitcoin. Let's take a look and let's examine and let's study. Number one is back here in 2013, we had a market cycle top. Not up for debate. These are facts. From there, we crashed down to this 50-week moving average, right? We had our top, we crashed to the yellow line, right? After then, we had a cross. Now, in 2019, we did exactly the same thing. We had our all-time high, we crashed to the 50-week. This is a big clue. After that crash to the 50-week, we had the cross. So in 2015 and in 2019, we did exactly the same thing. What happened in 2022? Was it dramatically different? Because everybody always says this time is different. Well, we had our all-time high. We had our first top right here. We crashed to the 50-week. Then we had this cross where the 21 week crossed the 50 week. How about now? Was this time different? Well, it was more of the same because this was our first market cycle top. Not up for debate. The 100-ish K area was our first market cycle top. From there, what did we do? We crashed to the 50 week, and then we had our cross. So in all 4 examples, we had an all-time high, then we crashed to the 50 week, then we had this cross. Now that we've got that out of the way, you can understand the market cycle and how they work. What I wanted to do next is we're going to do a little study of what happened after the cross. And when we study what happened after the cross, we're going to really dive into this move that touched this moving average for the first time since October 2025 when Bitcoin was at 116,000, right? Now let's look at that part of the move. What happens after this cross and what is normal to happen after this cross? We started our journey back in 2015. We had the cross right here. And from there, from that point, this green line actually pushed our head down. It was almost like we had this opposite magnet, right? Have you ever had the opposite magnet and you push that magnet against the other one and it just pushes it away? That's what this moving average does during a bear market. Case in point, 2015 had this cross. Look what it did to the candles. We really tried to get up to it back here in November 14. November 14, we moved from $275 in September, and then in November we went all the way up to 475. This was a magnificent move of more than 73%. So everybody got excited. Everybody was at the edge of their seats. Tilt your phone to the side and subscribe. A 73% rebound, but it only moved into this green line. It pushed our head down. Look at this long wick. This was profit taking, right? In other words, this swing high that we had was not a higher high. It was a lower high. And as I mentioned, in a bear market, by definition, you need to create a higher high to change the trend. And this created a swing high, but not higher high. Our previous high was at 681, and this high only went to 476. Although it did move 73%, it was a failed rally. It failed to create a higher high, and it ran into that green line, which is the 21-week moving average. And from there, we plummeted to our bear market bottom. This was our first bottom, and it quite literally happened after we had our head pushed down by this moving average. And from there, we actually made it above. We actually made it above this green line. We printed a whole bunch of candles above here, but then we ran into that other moving average, the 50-week, and that thing pushed us down. It was almost like we somehow tricked the green line. We got above it. We thought we were in the clear, and the yellow line was like, whoa, 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 whoa. We're the 50-week. We're the final boss, and you're not going to pass the final boss. And that pushed us to our double bottom. So what happened in the next cycle? You can see, by the way, I always call this cycle, this market cycle, running from 2015 to our top of 2017. This was a textbook market cycle. If you want to study a textbook Bitcoin market cycle, this is the one where textbook wise, it will hold the 21 week as support during a bull, and it will hold the 21 week as resistance during the bear. Okay. So we start our journey back here in 2018. We already covered our all-time high. We covered a move to the 50 week. We covered the cross. What happens after that? What happens after that? We actually had a couple candles close right in a mixed and sort of a half above, half below of this 50-week moving average. But once again, we ran into the final boss, and the final boss was like, not so fast. You may have tricked our green line, but we're the final boss, and your days here are done. So when we rallied from 5,800 up to 8,500, but we did one thing wrong. We failed to create a higher high. Our previous high was here, almost 10,000. We did create a high. We did create a swing high. It was a big move. It was, what percent was it? It was 50%. This was a 50% move. But it failed to do one key thing, create a new swing high. And when you're in a bear trend and you failed to create a swing high, you roll over and you plummet. Plain and simple. And the final boss was like, hello, we're the final boss. You're not creating a swing high. It got pushed down. And from there, it just started getting rejected by the green line. We got up to the green line with multiple rallies, but we were pushed down. These all turned into failed rallies. Failed rally number 1, failed rally number 2, failed rally number 3 is October 18. And we got tired and we ran out of momentum, and we had our final push right to the bottom. Okay. and what happened in our most recent trend. Brand new email list video this week. Don't miss out. Everyone has been asking and wants to know when bottom plus mega crash update plus death cross update. Major announcement. I just dropped an exclusive bonus video to everyone on the email list. Go check your emails right now. Not on the email list, you do not want to miss this update. Immediately unlock this bonus video right now for free at CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Again, CryptoCrewUniversity.com. I'll see you in the bonus video. Okay, we're looking at this bull trend, and you can see what happened with our first top. You can see what happened with our double top. You can see the move to the 50 MA. You can see the cross. What happened after that? After this cross happened, this green line just pushed us down. It pushed us and pushed us and pushed us, right? This was our first bottom at 17K. This was our second bottom here, and this was our move into the next bull run. So this moving average, the final boss, pushed us down again, but by the time it pushed us down, this was a great buying opportunity. We had already double bottomed. You can see once we double bottom in the market, we do push above the green. We do push above the yellow. That's the only time you'll see us move above the yellow, is when the bear market is done. When the bear market is done, we finally move above the 50 week. It happens every single cycle. You can see, case in point, 2015, finally move above the yellow. Bear market's done. 2019 bear market, you can see once we finally moved above the yellow, the bear market was done. 2022, no difference. Once we finally moved above the 50 week, the bear market was done. Okay, so when you're looking at the 50 week, when you're looking at this green line, what are they at now? What is it telling us? If we take all of the learnings that we just covered over these multiple cycles, what is it telling us? What are the secret clues? Can Bitcoin somehow get the courage and blast through this green line all the way up to that yellow line? And if it did, where is the yellow line and what would it mean for crypto? So that's what I want to get into now, because right now you're at the edge of the seat. Brand new email list video this week. Don't miss out. By the way, we are getting tons of comments about when bottom and altcoins. Did you know I give my top altcoin picks and my big secret investment both covered in the Bitcoin bottom blueprint? Just my big secret investment alone is already worth multiple times the cost of the Bitcoin bottom blueprint. But on top of that, you get my top altcoin picks. And on top of that, you get one guaranteed buy inside of the golden zone or your money back. Public launch coming soon. Watch your email. You're looking at that yellow line, knowing what we know, knowing what I just showed you, and you're salivating. You can see that yellow line is way above our heads. So if Bitcoin had this explosive rally, does it mean we can rally all the way to the yellow line? And if it did, would that be the thing that changes the trend completely? That's what I want to get into now. And I want to leave you with some key points and some key tips and some key pointers. Let's get into this for a second. You can see where the green line is right now. You can see where the yellow line is right now. And what we've learned about studying these past cycles is the best case scenario in the bull trend is a blast through of this green line, tricking it and rallying all the way to the yellow. So let's look at the yellow. First, let's look at the trajectory of the yellow. You could see it pointing downwards, meaning as we continue to fast forward through time, this yellow line should continue to fall. So the price I'm about to give you is where it's at today, not where it's going to be next week or over the next couple months. This is where it's at today, and it's fallen, okay? So what you can see is that one thing I want to point out is when we recently got to this green line, did we get there with a lot of authority? Did we get there with a lot of momentum? Did we get there with full confidence? No, it was everything but. Meaning, look at this candle right here, April 13th, 2026. Look at this wick. If we got there with a full body of a green candle and we were literally pressed up against this 21 week with a full body green candle, then we would have gotten there with confidence and conviction. But when we got to this green line, there was profit taking by smart traders and investors because they know this green line. They know the 21 week. They understand its significance, and there was a heavy profit taking, hence the wick. This is not my opinion. These are bona fide facts. Men lie, women lie, the charts don't lie. So we did not approach this 21 week with conviction. We actually got pushed around like a little boy. Plain and simple. Okay. So we're going to see how we finish out this candle, and we will know more on Sunday evening, 11:59 p.m. UTC time. We're going to see how this candle closes relative to the green line. But in the best case scenario, Bitcoin could break through this green line in a bear trend. In maximum that we've seen in multiple occasions is a rise to this yellow line. So I want to get to what this yellow line is. I want to get to the momentum needed, but there's one key piece of information. One thing that Bitcoin has to do in order to really change the trend. The one thing it has to do, which it failed to do every other bear trend, is to create a higher high. You're looking at 97,000. Any move that's less than 97,000 is going to be a rollover into a move lower. Plain and simple. We've looked at every example for the past 12 years. They all say the same thing. We do have big moves. We do have big rallies, right? How big was this rally? We've seen rallies of 100%, 75%. This rally that we've just had all the way up to the green line was just 30%. It's a fact, right? So we've had moves that are big. We did, but they were all failed rallies, meaning they failed to create a higher high. So any move from here that's less than 97 will roll over and it will go lower. But let's look at the best case scenario. Let's look at this yellow line. Let's look at the 50 week, because in the best case scenario, we've seen it many occasions, we rally through here. So this yellow line, the 50 week, the best case scenario as we stand right now, keep in mind, this is pointing down, this is going down. Right now, as we speak, the yellow line is at, drum roll please, 96,000. In other words, in our best case scenario, Bitcoin rallies, we skyrocket, everybody freaks out, it will still be a failed rally, and it will still roll over, and it will take out its swing low, and it will lead to another mega crash. That looks like, according to this chart, Bitcoin's best case scenario. Let that sink in. Brand new email list video this week. Don't miss out. Everyone has been asking and wants to know when bottom plus mega crash update plus death cross update. Major announcement. I just dropped an exclusive bonus video to everyone on the email list. Go check your emails right now. Not on the email list, you do not want to miss this update. Immediately unlock this bonus video right now for free at CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Again, CryptoCrewUniversity.com. I'll see you in the bonus video. By the way, we are getting tons of comments about when bottom and altcoins. Did you know I give my top altcoin picks and my big secret investment both covered in the Bitcoin bottom blueprint? Just my big secret investment alone is already worth multiple times the cost of the Bitcoin bottom blueprint. But on top of that, you get my top altcoin picks. And on top of that, you get one guaranteed buy inside of the golden zone or your money back. Public launch coming soon. Watch your email. Tilt your phone to the side and subscribe.